If you're someone who's on a never-ending quest for that perfect brow product, you know how important it is to find something that not only defines and shapes your eyebrows, but lasts all day long. So today, we're checking out a product that promises just that, the 3NA Makeup Eyebrow Mascara in the shade 521 Redhead. If you're looking for fuller, defined brows that stay in place for 24 hours, keep watching. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest, in-depth reviews right here on Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest and greatest beauty products. Now let's talk about the 3NA Eyebrow Mascara. This product comes in a gorgeous ginger shade, 521 Redhead, which is designed to complement a variety of hair colors. Whether you're a natural redhead or someone with a warmer undertone, this gel formula promises to give your brows a boost in both definition and volume. The mascara uses a non-adhesive gel formula that's supposed to define, set, and even volumize your brows, all while providing that multiplier effect for a fuller, more defined look. And as we all know, it's not just about the formula, it's about the performance too. When I first used this product, I was impressed by how easy it was to apply. The automatic twist-up design makes it super convenient, no mess, no fuss. The formula itself feels lightweight but offers a strong hold. I didn't feel any stiffness and my brows didn't look overdone. The real test came after a long day of wear. I went through my regular activities, working, running errands, even a workout, and guess what? My brows stayed defined and voluminous, exactly as they were in the morning. No smudging, no fading. That 24-hour wear claim? Absolutely true. One thing I want to mention is how natural the shade 521 Redhead looks. It has a warmth that's not too overpowering, making it versatile for different hair colors, especially for those with red auburn or warm blonde shades. I can see this being a go-to for a lot of people who want something that enhances without being too dramatic. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the ease of use is a major standout. The automatic twist-up is so convenient. Plus, the formula is lightweight yet effective. It doesn't feel heavy, but it does the job of defining and volumizing. The 24-hour wear is definitely impressive, especially for those long days when you need your makeup to stay intact. On the downside, the ginger shade might not be ideal for everyone. If you have darker brows or cooler undertones, it might not be the best match for you. Also, while the formula is non-adhesive, some may find it slightly less buildable than other products. They may have to apply multiple layers to achieve the desired intensity. Is this product worth the price? For its performance? Yes. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and delivers a high-quality result that holds up for a full day. If you're someone who wants long-lasting, natural-looking brows with volume, this is definitely worth checking out. When comparing it to similar products in the market, I think 3NA does an excellent job in providing value. There are other eyebrow mascaras that claim long wear, but the twist-up gel formula in this product seems to outperform many in terms of ease of use and natural finish. While there are more affordable options out there, this one hits the sweet spot for those seeking both quality and longevity. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The automatic twist-up mechanism is smooth and the gel stays contained, preventing unnecessary mess. Longevity is excellent, and I found it holds up well without needing touch-ups throughout the day. If you're still on the fence, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this product, the link is in the comments. Customer service with 3NA has been on par, though I didn't need to reach out personally. From what I've read, their customer service is generally responsive and helpful. Looking at alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are plenty of drugstore brow mascaras that deliver a similar effect. However, if you're after a cruelty-free vegan option that delivers all-day wear and doesn't flake, this one's a solid choice. So, after testing this out thoroughly, I can confidently say that the 3NA Makeup Eyebrow Mascara in Redhead is a great option for anyone looking for natural, defined, and voluminous brows with lasting power. It's a solid addition to your brow routine, especially if you want a more polished yet effortless look. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.